Hi guys, Miss Kowalczyk here, and we're going to be continuing with our Phase 5 phonics lessons today. So if you have a pencil and a piece of paper or a pen and a piece of paper, that's fantastic. If not, you can always use your magic finger in the air. All right, so we're going to get started by reviewing our old sounds that we've already learned, and then we'll move on to our new sounds. So I'm going to hold up the sounds, give you a second to say it, and then I'll say it just to make sure that you're saying it correctly, all right? Aw, a, I, oi, ow, This one has the two sounds, ooh and you. Fantastic. E, and back to the beginning. So I'm going to mix it up now. And now you're going to do them as quickly as you can. Are we ready for that? Oh, someone turned sideways by accident. There we go. All right, we ready? Fantastic job, boys and girls. Now we're going to review some words that have those sounds in them. I will do the first one for you to show you what I want it to look like, and then after that, you'll do it first, okay? So it will look like this. S, aw, saw. Your turn. Fantastic. All right, now it's your turn to do it first. S, ooh, sue. Spied. Eat. Repeat. Oi. Destroy. Tried. Read. Two more. Delay. Fantastic. And last one. Enjoy. Fantastic job. Now I'm going to pick 4 words and we're going to spell them first using our fingers and then spelling them. So our first word that we're going to do together is shawl. Shawl. So we have to sound it out first. We have sh, aw, sh, aw, and then we write it. So we have sh, aw, So we do our sh, aw, sh, aw, shawl. Fantastic. Now it's your turn to do it first. So your word is sprout. Sprout. So sound it out on your fingers first and then write it down. All right, we have out. It's a long one. Out. So when we start, we have our out. Sprout. If you got that right, give yourself a big tick on that one because that one was a tricky one. If you got it wrong, just correct it. Our next word that we're going to do is sir. Sir. 'sir. So sound it out with your fingers and then write it down. All right, we have s, s, So we do s, and then we have our sound, sir. If you got that right, give yourself a nice big tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. And our last word that we're going to do is, well, with our old sounds, is found. Found. So sound it out with your fingers and then write it down. All right, we have f, ow, d. Ow, d. So let me write it. We have f, ow, d. Found. If you got that right, give yourself a nice tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, and now we're going to move on to our new sound. So our new sound is w. W. W, w, w. W. And we know the w sound to look like this. And that is a w sound, but today our w sound is that with a h, and they both make w sound. So can you write your w sound 5 times on your piece of paper or in the air with your magic finger, please? Go ahead. All right. What is this one? W. Very good. And when you see this sound, I want you to go w. W, like what or when. W. W. All right, so I'm going to put it into our old sounds. When you see it, you're going to go w. All right. Fantastic. Let me hide it. I'm not going to say the other sounds. You need to remember all of the sounds. I know it's a bit tricky, but you can do it. All right? Woo! Fantastic. All right, hide it again. Woo! Great job. Twice more. Remember, this one has 2 sounds. And good. Fantastic. And last one, hide it in there. Whoa, fantastic. All right, now we're going to go over some words that have our w sound in them. So I'm going to hold them up. I'll do the first one with you, and then after that, you'll do it first. So it will look like this. W, e, n. When. Your turn. Fantastic. Now it's your turn to do it first. W-e-o. Wheel. W-I-Y. W-itch. Which. Ooh, this one's a tricky one. We're going to break this one into syllables. So we have our first syllable here. So we have w-e-n, when. And then we'll do our other syllable. E-v-er, ever. Whenever, whenever. Last one. Where. Fantastic job. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to pick out 4 words and we're going to write them on our paper or in the air with our magic finger. So we'll do the first one together, and our first one that we're going to do is which. Which. So we need to sound it out, and it's not which like the one that wears a hat, it's which is in which do you prefer, oranges or apples? So which? So we have w-i-ch, w-i-ch. So we have our w sound, which is our new sound for today. W-i, w-i-ch, which. Fantastic. All right, now it's your turn to do it. Your first word is when. When. So sound it out with your fingers first, and then write it down for me, please. All right, we have w-e-n, w-e-n. So we have w-e-n. When. If you got that right, give yourself a nice big tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. Our next word is wheel. Wheel, like the wheel on a bike. Wheel. Go ahead, sound it out, and then write it down. All right, we have w-e-o, w-e-o. So we have our w sound, our new sound there. E, which is our double E sound. W-e-o, wheel. If you got it right, give that a nice big tick. If you got it wrong, please correct it. All right, and our last word that we're going to do today is a challenge word for you. And our word is whisper. Whisper. So it's a nice long word, but I know you can do it. Take your time, sound it out with your fingers, and then write it down. Go ahead. All right, we have w-i-s-p-er. Whisper. W-i-s-p-er. Whisper. So when we write it, we have our w-i, w-i, w-i-s, w-i-s, w-i-s. Whisper. If you got it right, give yourself a huge smiley face on that one, because that one was very tricky. I'm very impressed with how hard you did with your learning on that one. Fantastic job. Well done today, boys and girls. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you tomorrow for tomorrow's phonics lesson. Bye, guys.